Also streaming on Paramount Plus.
This is not a test. This is a national emergency. Important
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, as well as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Please pay attention to this alert, as it pertains to ongoing global crisis that is currently occurring in our country. We are extremely sorry to say this, and NASA has extremely disturbing news to share. Our world is coming to an end.
At approximately 9:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA discovered an late-time black hole, which is sucking things in both directions. Since this black hole cannot be stopped, there is no way humanity will survive any of this.
All the remaining residents of the United States carry out these instructions. Gather your loved ones for your final moments together. Do whatever makes you happy before being sucked into the black hole. The national anthem will not play due to how little time that we have. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless us all. Thank you. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government as well as the United Nations. This is an all-clear message. The threat to the United States by a black hole was a hoax. A group of hackers have hacked the emergency alert system and caused a worldwide panic. This was because of their April Fool's prank to the entire United States and the rest of the world. Let me be clear to you that it is illegal to hack any emergency alert system within the country or the rest of the world. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has confirmed that there is no black hole occurring across the Earth. Due to this, people that hacked the emergency alert system have been sentenced to life in federal prison. Ultimately, hacking emergency alert systems is exactly no joke at all. It is not an April Fool's prank or a joke to mess with. It is a serious system to warn people of an actual emergency. We are extremely sorry that you guys have to go through a panic. But let me be clear, none of this will be happening again. The United States will become stronger than ever. One nation under God. Residents that either stay in a fallout or underground shelter may now exit your shelters at this time. However, massive panic has erupted across the world. However, due to massive panic and rioting across the world, many presidencies around the world are instituting a curfew from now until 9 a.m. the following morning. If you have been caught going out but right at this time, you will be arrested. Normal programming will now resume.
Streaming on Paramount Plus.